Hello.
Hello, Kenchi.
Hello.
That's too long.
No, this one is raining but not finished, right?
Yes. Okay. Tonight, Kenchi, we are starting a new lesson, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. My hair is...
Lonely.
Okay. All right, so Kenchi, for tonight, we are having a new lesson, okay? How are you?
No,
How are you first?
I'm fine.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Is this not the lesson that we unfinished?
It's unfinished. It's not finished.
Okay, wait. Is this the one?
Number one, activity one already. 2, 3.
This one?
No. No. Down. You zip down.
This one?
No, this one. Then number 6. Number 6.
This one?
Number 6.
Oh, it's number 6.
Number 5, you already. Number 6.
Wait a minute. Oh,
It's down.
there's no number 6 here.
Oh, I can see it.
Oh, where? Is this the one?
No. Here, number 6.
Number 6. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, are you sure we are here already?
No, number 5 already, and then number 6.
Oh, wait, that was... Okay, wait a minute. That was the last lesson. Okay, wait. Unit 24. Okay, I think this is it. Wait a minute. Because I remembered our drawing. This one. Wait, I will check the drawing here in my cell phone. So that I can remember it. Where was my drawing? Oh, okay. What's this? With a ball. Play with the ball. Okay. There is the word play with a ball. Oh, where is it? It has play with the ball. It has a word like that. Okay, wait a minute. Play with the ball. Where is it? Ah, here.
Where?
Oh, wait. Here. Here. We are here. Oh, wait. Where is that? I saw it already. Wait a minute. Okay, so we are here already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's continue. This is unit 25. Okay, I will write on my notebook. Unit 25. Okay, it's unit 25. Okay, so we are finished with this one.
No,
we are finished with this one already.
Yes.
Yeah, so now we are here in the next part, okay? So it's letter C. Read the story. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 6. Okay, So we have here some questions, okay? Number 1, Kenji, what pet have you got? Do you have a pet? Hi, Tom.
Hello, Tom.
Yeah, hello, Tom.
Hello.
Kenji, answer the first question first. What pet have you got?
I don't have pet.
You don't have a pet? Why?
I don't like pet
You don't like pets. Why don't you like pets?
because it don't have food for that.
You don't have
Food.
food.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so even before, did you have a pet before?
Yes.
Oh, what pet did you have?
Dog.
Dog. Okay, so what's the name of your dog?
B. Letter B.
Letter B?
Yes.
Like Teacher
Yes.
Bian?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what happened to your pet?
I can see that in the morning. I wake up and I don't see it.
Ah, so when you wake up in the morning, your dog was not there.
Yes.
Where did he go?
I don't know.
Oh, so after your dog was lost, did you have another pet?
No.
No, okay. Okay, so if ever you have given a chance, Kenji, what pet do you want to have?
I don't like any pet.
You don't like any pet? Okay. Oh, what's that? 8. What's that?
Database.
Yeah, there's a lot of number 8. Okay, you answer first. If ever that you will have a pet, once again, what kind of pet do you want?
I don't know. I don't like.
You don't like to have a pet once more. Okay. Okay, now, when you still got B, what does he eat?
I don't know. I just can't remember.
Does he eat, what they call this one? Does he eat rice or meat?
I don't remember.
Oh, you don't remember. Okay. Okay, so next question. Okay, so this is a story, okay, Kenji? Oh, this is a story. And then, you have to choose your answers from the pictures, okay?
Yes.
Okay, start reading now, Kenji.
Yes. Daisy loves animals. Lots of her friends have pets, and Daisy want one too. One day, he read a story in a comic about a boy who has a horse. Daisy had an idea. Mom, she said, I want to learn to ride a horse. Can we have a horse? Sorry, Daisy. Her mother answered, we can't have a horse. We haven't got a fleet. What about a kitchen? Then Daisy asked, my friend Sally has got a cat. No, Daisy, her mother said, we live in a flat. Cats like being in gardens. Daisy went and sat on the balcony. He was once happy, but then he saw a really sweet gray lizard on the ground between the two pretty green plants. There, hello, she said. Do you want to be my new pet? The lizard looked at Daisy and moved its head up and down. Wow, it's saying yes. Laughed Daisy. It's different from all my friends' pets, but that's okay.
Okay, very good. So your answers are comic, ride, live, gray, plants, and head. Okay, those are the correct answers. Okay, very good. Let's put a tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, very good. You got 6 points. So here, Kanchi, choose the best name for the story. What do you think is the title for the story?
I think it's Daisy find a pet.
Yes.
Find a pet.
Very good. Daisy finds a pet. Okay, so you got 7. Okay, so now let's go here. Which one is different? What? Yeah, we are here already. Okay.
Anna and Elsa.
Again, I cannot understand. What?
I want you to draw Anna and Elsa.
Ah, you're going to draw?
Please.
Who will draw?
You.
Me?
You.
Okay, so I'm going to draw again.
Yes, you draw Anna and Elsa.
Oh, that's very hard. Okay, I will try. Yes, I will try to draw. Okay, wait a minute. How does Anna look like? Okay, I know now.
I can show.
Okay, you can join the paper.
No. I can show. Look, this is Elsa.
Ah, okay. So I will draw Anna first.
Anna?
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, I will draw Anna first. Because I know she's wearing a long dress and she has a cape on her back.
draw and I colors.
Okay, wait a minute. It's not yet finished.
I will color. Color pink.
Okay, so that is Anna.
Anna.
Yeah. Okay, now Elsa. I will draw Elsa. Wow, that's very hard. Let's see if I can do it.
You color and you draw and I just colors.
Okay, no problem.
Great. It's not look like Anna. I don't want to colors. It's dark pink.
Ah, okay, that's a dark.
You color like this.
Okay, no problem. Okay, wait, I will draw the dress of Elsa.
Elsa looks sad.
Yeah, Elsa is sad because she is tired.
Are you tired?
Yeah, Elsa is tired. Okay, so here is Elsa and I will put a crown. Yes, this is the crown of Elsa. Okay, very beautiful. Wow, very beautiful color. Her hair is brown. Very nice.
Anna is look great.
Yeah, looks great. Her hair is very nice. It's color brown. Now, how about Elsa? She's tired and lonely.
I color white.
Yeah, the hair must be white.
You color too.
I will color too.
Yes. Color
Okay.
with me.
What is the color of the dress of Elsa? It's a light blue, right?
Blue, light blue and dark blue.
Okay, I will color the hair. The hair is white.
I color the hair red.
Okay, what will teacher color? The dress?
A dress?
Oh, we have different color. Okay, wait, I will choose. Oh, you color the hair and then teacher will color the dress. Okay. Oh, you're very fast.
Not fast.
What are you coloring now?
Her face.
Ah, the face, okay.
It's must be orange and white.
Okay, and then the hands. I will color the hands too. Okay, who will color the hair?
I color the hair already.
Okay, it's white.
But not coloring a dress. But not coloring the dress.
Okay.
Look, Anna, it's so cute.
Yeah, Anna is so cute.
And I will give her the flowers. Look, Anna has a beautiful.
Wow. Anna has a headband.
Yes, beautiful. Oh, his shoes.
Yeah. She has a shoes too.
Your shoes is pink. I like pink and I will color pink.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Wait, not finished.
Okay, you tell me if you're finished.
The hand. You color the crown.
The gown, I'm finished. The crown.
Yes. Beautiful now.
Yeah, wait a minute. I will color the crown. So where is it? Okay, so this is the crown. It's color silver.
Look, I color Anna. It's very beautiful.
Yeah, very, very beautiful.
Anna, cute. Cute Anna. Anna is very cute.
Of course.
Let's do dramatics with Anna.
Okay, wait. I'm just going to finish the crown.
Let's do matches.
Okay, wait. I want to color the hair of Anna. Of Elsa.
Okay.
Because it has no color. It's very lonely. I can color it like this one.
Oh, Anna cute. I love Anna.
Okay, look at here. Oh, where's the dress of Elsa?
Look.
What happened to the dress?
I can see it.
Yeah, me too. What happened? It was erased.
Oh, what is?
Okay, wait, I'm going to fix it. Okay.
Elsa leg. Color Elsa shoes.
Okay, I will color the shoes blue also.
Okay, let's do some magic.
Okay, oh wait, I'm going to take a picture.
I take a picture too. Finish.
Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson.
Not finished.
Not finished? What are you going to do now?
Skip and do some magic.
Sleep? I will sleep.
Skip.
Skip. Ta-da! Can you see my drawing?
No.
Yeah, why? Oh, but here we can see it. But here, it's not here already.
But I see my Anna.
Yeah, I can see your Anna too.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, she is beautiful. Okay, so let's have this activity right now. Okay, wait, I will... Oh, this is a project. All right, wait a minute, Kanchi. Wait for me.
Oh, I can see a red and yellow box.
Okay, so we have here a project, okay? So it says here, number 1, what it eats and drinks. Oh, okay. Okay, so Kanchi, we are going to talk about a cat or a kitten, okay? So let's answer the first question. What it eats and drinks? What do you think? What does a cat eat and drink?
I don't know.
You have no idea? Maybe I can say that maybe the cat eats a fish and it drinks a water or a milk, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
well, anyway, let's skip that one. Okay, so let's have letter D. Choose words for the horse and the cat. Okay, so here, can you read it first, Kanchi? Daisy.
Daisy read a story about a boy who had a who has I think
Mm-hmm.
had a beautiful no had a nice um a nice nice big white horse.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Daisy friend Sally has got a not a beautiful small orange cat.
Okay. Okay, so let's skip this one because this is quite hard. Quite a difficult activity. Okay, so now let's have vocabulary. What is the first picture all about?
I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know.
That is?
Beautiful.
Yes, beautiful. So, who do you think is beautiful, Kenchi? Who's
Princess.
Princess what?
Princess Snow White. Cinderella. Mermaid.
So Elsa.
Elsa.
Yes.
Elsa.
Elsa, Anna.
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping.
Rapunzel.
Wow, Sleeping Beauty and Rapunzel. Very good. Okay. So next one. What do you think is this word?
I don't know.
You don't have any idea?
Yes.
Okay. So the answer is?
Pretty.
Pretty. Okay, very good. Next one.
Big, small.
Okay, give me an example of something that is big.
The dinosaur is big.
Okay, the dinosaur is big. How about small?
I will write on Jack.
What's that?
I will write.
Okay.
Already finished. Alright, I'm finished.
Teacher Biang is small. Oh, really? Teacher Biang is big, not small. Well,
it's small. Dinosaur is big.
Okay. Okay, now I understand. So the dinosaur is big while Teacher Biang is only small. Okay, next one.
I'm small.
Yes. And then, for example, one more example. Teacher Biang is big and Kenchi is small. Okay, how about this one? Very pretty. What does it mean?
Ugly.
What does the picture describe?
Ugly. Ugly.
Okay, ugly. Very good. Okay, so now let's take note. Can you read the words first?
What is take note?
Take note means remember. Okay, so take note means you remember. Okay, you read the words first.
What?
You read the words that you see on the screen. Black.
Black. Brown, gray, orange, white.
Okay, black, brown, gray, orange, and white. Okay, so what do these words tell us about? What does this set of word means?
What do these words tell us about? Colors, right?
Okay, very good. It is all about colors. Okay, so now we often put words for color in front of the thing we are talking about. So example, brown hair, blue eyes. Okay, our next one, what is this word?
Big, small.
Okay, big and small. Okay, so now we put words like this and others like long, short near the word they describe, but in front of words for color. So example, long brown hair or big blue eyes. Okay, next one, read the words.
Yes.
Read the words. What are these words?
Nice, beautiful, ugly.
Okay, nice, beautiful, and ugly. Okay, so these words give our opinion about a person or a thing. We put them further away from the thing or person we are talking about. Example, beautiful big blue eyes. Okay, so now let's have activity B. Choose words from the horse and the cat. Okay, is this difficult? Okay, let's skip it. Okay, so now let's play the game. What are all these words? Parts of the body. Can you tell me another word for part of your body? Okay.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, this is hard. Okay, let's skip. Let's skip this one. It's difficult. Okay. Oh, where are you? I cannot see you.
Why?
I forgot to share screen. Okay, so our next lesson is all right. Can you read first?
Girls?
Guess.
Yes, who live here?
Mm-hmm. Guess who lives here? Okay, so let's have vocabulary first. Okay, can you read? What do you think are these words? What's the first picture all about?
CD. CD.
Yes, correct. That is a CD. So what is the use of a CD, Kanchi?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, so a CD that is where we can save some documents or we can listen to a music or watch a movie, okay? All right, next one. What is this?
Lamp.
Lamp. Okay, very good. So, do you have a lamp in your table?
Yes.
Okay, what's the color of your lamp again?
What?
What is the color of your lamp?
No, it's red.
It's color red, okay? All right, so next one, what is the picture? What's the next picture?
Snail.
Okay, very good. It's a snail. Next. Oh, what's next? What is the last picture, Kenchi Kenchi?
Spider.
Okay, very good. Spider. Okay, so now let's have activity letter A. Look and read. Say yes or no. Okay, how many bats are there in the picture? Kenchi, can you count?
Bat?
Bat. How many bats are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's 7.
Are you sure?
I think it's 7.
Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. You're correct. There are 7. So next question, are there any people inside the room? Can you see any people?
No.
No, right. There is no person living in the house. So do you think some people live inside that house?
I think it's dead.
You think it's yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think? Is the house in the center of a city or in the country?
I think it's in city.
Yes, it's in a city. Okay. Okay. So now, can't you look at the picture very carefully? Or you remember it, okay? Because later on, I will ask you some questions. Okay, so let's skip now. Okay, just tell me yes or no. Number 1 is an example. The biggest bat in the picture is flying below the fan. Answer is yes. Okay, number 2. There is a green bat at the bottom of the stairs and it's sleeping. Yes or no?
At bottom?
Yeah, at the bottom.
I think it is yes.
Okay, no, that's not color green. Next one. 2 bats.
I can't remember.
You tried to remember. Oh, here. Is it color green?
No, but I can't remember.
You can't remember? Okay. Well, anyway, Kenchi, we don't have enough time to continue. So we are going to have this lesson again on Thursday.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, good night, Kenchi.
Good night.
See you.